we're not on the camera right now. And there's a lot of reasons behind that. So basically, what happened, oh my gosh, I can't even put it up anywhere. Basically, we are stuck because I ran out of gas and we just got slammed by a tornado while I was at school, and I was planning on getting gas after school, and that cannot happen because everything, all the power's out. So basically, I'm stuck here waiting for my dad to bring me some gas, and then hopefully after that I'll get home and we'll get ready to go to the gym eventually. So yeah, see y'all soon. We're finally getting home, and gosh, this tornado tore up this town. Like literally, it practically split the town in half, and you can't get across. It's crazy. The amount of police cars I've seen is astronomical, really. So I will hop on the camera when I get home, and we will start getting ready for the gym, and we're gonna go meet up with Sam because he has some Euphoria pre-workout by David Laid, and I am ecstatic to try it, and it's gonna be a fantastic workout, and I'm so excited for it. And yeah, so see y'all in a minute. We made it home. The power's out, camera on. Oh, it feels so good to have the camera on instead of my phone. It's great. So now we are gonna go grab a quick pre-workout meal, pizza, and then we're gonna go to the gym. So now, the tornado, right? Massive and hindrance to my day. Let me tell you. So, I'm chilling in, what, 7th period class, so like around 2 o'clock. And then our principal comes in and he's like, hey, y'all go down to the basement locker rooms. The basement locker rooms smell like death. Walked in and died, right? So none of us are looking forward to that. So we walk in and all of us are in there. Every single kid. And it is the hottest, moistest room I've ever been in my life. Like, it was the most lethargic, like it just sucked all the energy out of you. It was terrible. And then after like 25 minutes after we would normally get out of our school day, it's like 3:30, we finally get out, and I remember I was gonna go get gas, but the entire town is out of power, including my house. Just left. We're all out of power. It sucks. Like off the grid type stuff. It's crazy right now. And so, thankfully, the gym is a magical, euphoric place that still has power. Isn't like, it's just a sign. Go to the gym. Go to the gym. They have power. Just go. And yeah, oh my gosh. Like, anyways, crazy day. About to get crazier with this amazing chest pump I'm about to get, and it's going to be awesome. Ooh.
Are you recording video?
Yes. Now you
talk about this interesting thing.
I've already talked about it a little bit.
What the hell?
So bad.
What the hell?
So bad.
How did happen?
Oh, it's a screw. It's like a microscopic screw just came out of my camera.
All right, but you know, part of the city's destroyed, but that is fine.
Yeah, we literally just got like slammed.
Slam tornado. We didn't even know it was a tornado in the.
Yeah, no, we were at the. We didn't even know what was going on out there.
Look at this, bro. I've had it so good. It's like sour, but a good sour.
Oh, I can't wait. Because I've never had a sour pre before.
Well, pre usually has like that sour taste, but it's like the bad, like,
yeah,
I'm gonna throw up. Like the.
Do I have enough water?
Yeah. I'm pouring some out.
I can't wait to bench press. Wait. David Lane hard stuff.
Oh, and you have to listen to it. And once we take this, we're gonna start talking in big words, very intelligent.
No, I'm talking about.
And it filled it up to the top. Like, look at that. It's not like that
so
little bit where it gives you a big like container and it's only to there. It's just filled up to the top.
We're both wrong. We're both.
Here.
Attachment or commitment to a person causes belief. Quality or process of sticking fast to an object. Oh my god.
I swear I'm right. Adherence means like adhere.
Hey mom. No, I did not. I did not call you. Bye.
Black cherry.
That's a black cherry.
Black cherry.
What? Oh, it looks so smooth.
Yes.
Oh, that looks so good. It smells so good.
Indubitably.
I was like, if I don't do it, if it gets like too long, I can't get off my camera without splicing it.
Oh.
So I just restart. Oh, okay.
Like, look at that. That is such a sick container
It's
too.
so beautiful.
It's so sweet. I like it.
Oh my. It's so good.
It's sweet and sour, but it's good.
You know the free's good when it bubbles. Like, oh, that's really good. That's really very good.
Hey, turn on David Lane music.
I don't try it.
Like, everyone was going nuts in the basement.
Bro, I didn't even get
No
to
one
that.
knew that there was a...
I just said it was so hot and like terrible in the end.
No, people were going nuts.
Yeah, they go.
No one knew that there was a tornado going on. No one decided to tell us, I guess.
Yeah, it was bad. Like we kind of just went down there, and then like they
Kids
came
yelling penis.
Yeah, they played the wiener game. That is so good. It's like goes down really well. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh. I found this like the other day. It has Mikey on it.
Wow. Austin can't be here. He has to go pick up some after.
Alright, it's time to go bench.
Yeah. Back off to 5. What? Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Bro touched it. I know. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. That was faux. That was faux.
Nothing beats the one, the only Wendy's 4 for 4.
Found the second workout of the day. That's crazy. On the tired.
You almost benched 300 on a second workout of the day.
I know.
So like,
I was just gonna stop being a pussy.
exactly.
You got it. So, and we're gonna go nuts on the
Allergies
today. What? We're gonna go nuts on the accessories.
Yeah.
Get big old chest daddy.
Allergies is whooping my blood.
Oh. If we're here until like 9, if no one else is here, we should try to pose right there. Just like yeah, definitely. And all of that. It's okay. Now we're moving on to incline bench. What the hell was that? I thought we said 4x8, buddy. Well, I'm not gonna stop at 8 if it's too easy. Look who showed up. Look who showed up.
What? I took the interstate and it was like fine.
You took the interstate? What?
This was the front door.
Shit, bro. There was a tornado today. Right?
There was a gas station.
I don't want to be doing that many reps.
Wait, I forgot. I gotta record.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
cracking and talking and singing. Money swallowing like sis. That I'm perfected and cool. That I barely will save on my hand. I've been mad at put on the road I just ran. I know what got it really and down at the devil that shit and I treat with it again. Leiest, 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 yeah, Leiest, 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 yeah, Leiest, Leiest, Leiest.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.